Hello, welcome to another how-to video for the OptimalCloud. In this video, we will show you how to get started using your tenant. We will be discussing the following tenant functions: adding users, organizing users, adding applications, exporting data, setting up multi-factor authentication, and viewing audit activity and reports. Now that you have configured your tenant, here are some steps to help you start using your tenant. The purpose of this video is to show you what functionality is available. There are topic-specific videos and online help documentation with more detailed instructions. Let's begin with entering users. There are multiple ways to enter users into your tenant. The first is self-registration. Users will create their own accounts. Users may be sent the company tenant URL provided during the tenant registration or be invited via the Invite Users function on the site banner. They will then use the I want to register link on the welcome page to create an account. To enter a user manually, go to the User Manager application on the Identity Management tab. Click on the Create New User button to create a new account. To enter multiple users, go to the Job Manager application on the Administration tab. Click on the Create Job button to create an import job for users, as shown here. Run the job to import the users. To use SCIM or AD-Sync agent, please contact the OptimalCloud support team at support@optimalidm.com. Users may be organized into two categories: groups and organizations. These categories can be used for administrative purposes, application authorization, and to grant permissions. To create a group and add members to it, go to the Group Manager on the Identity Management tab. To create an organization and add members to it, go to the Organization Manager on the Identity Management tab. To create an application, go to the Application Manager on the Identity Management tab. Click on the Create New Application button to create a new application. You may specify the application presentation and add members. If you would like this to be a federated application, you may also specify the federation configuration as well. There are several ways to export data from the OptimalCloud. There are buttons at the top of the manager pages that allow the data on the page to be exported in a variety of ways: PDF, CSV, Excel, copy, and print. To export data in bulk, go to the Job Manager application on the Administration tab. Click on the Create Job button to create an export job. Running the job will provide the requested data as a zipped CSV file. There are several types of MFA options. One-time passcode via email. This option is available when a user enters an email address during account creation. Push, time-based one-time passcode, and device authentication, including FIDO2, Windows Hello, Touch ID, and Face ID. Users may set up these options by going to the Multi-Factor Token Device Options application on the Account Settings tab. The following options must be enabled for the tenant. You may enable them by going to the My Tenant application on the Administration tab. See the How to Configure Your Tenant video for more information. For this discussion, all MFA options have been enabled. One-time passcode via SMS and one-time passcode via voice. If enabled, these options will become available when the user enters a mobile phone number in their account. Behavioral biometrics. If enabled, your typing pattern is used as authentication. Users may set up this option by going to the Multi-Factor Behavioral Biometrics Options application on the Account Settings tab. See the MFA Options section of the OptimalCloud Help documentation or the MFA Options specific how-to videos for more information on these options and how to configure them. The OptimalCloud Audit Activity includes records of the actions and changes made by users in the tenant. To see the audit activity for a user, go to the User Manager page and view the user. The User Details page will be presented. The Application Activity tab shows the applications that the user has accessed. The Login Activity tab shows the login attempts for the user. The Audit Activity tab shows the changes made to the user's account by the user or by administrators. The Provisioning Activity tab would show the changes made to the user's account through provisioning. There are also Audit Activity tabs on the detailed pages for groups, organizations, and applications, showing the changes made to each of those entities. The OptimalCloud reports for the tenant can be accessed by users who are members of the Office reporting group. To add a user as a member of the Office reporting group, go to the Group Manager on the Identity Management tab. Once the user is a member of the group, the Reporting tab will be visible in the portal. The main dashboard provides access to all reporting dashboards. The Reporting Logs legend provides the definitions and attributes for the reporting logs that are collected and subsequently used to create the reporting dashboards. Thank you for viewing this video. Please view our other how-to videos for the OptimalCloud. If you have further questions, please contact us at sales@optimalidm.com or support@optimalidm.com.